planning issue is consistent. Now Fabrizio Romano na mehu se watro bibibi afa akomia ho. Na mehu se Fabrizio Romano abo akomia di na me say hey no interest wa. Hey bibi Fabrizio Romano no ese ya kache no say na Gonzalo Ramos no mum ye backup option to Hoyland now or Manchester United na nyame masa ndi pakuri o mu take decisions to Manchester United o mu nye say or what in what stratosphere in what wealth and a per strikers are for the prices involved, availability, skill set, experience at the highest level. Say Hoyland no number 1 and a Gonzalo Ramos number 2 and then yami the hini was our team no my die koswa na do hini na wiase nyina hu se ampa sa team na Manchester no munim ni omoye who am I meanwhile say player call World Cup aye nyina ye hu Gonzalo Ramos wamba hat-trick o match ni ba kum
baby
good Champions League no ebra the dashing man every Benfica no why the lead Benfica the Omukoji League no
be age man come up
na also pe Atalanta Hoylanda fa yetawachi monton ko sa akomia ne nkofo moya de de pa ye wa ha na if this boy as Michael has explained call PSG na no se be kan Lucas Beltran and Santiago Jimenez wants some kakra about the squad planning. Michael Ferrer explains at the goalkeeping level. Yano Black one is succeeding, no? Ederson.
Yes.
Ederson free one by Black Redeemers.
Yeah.
So the Benfica squad planning constant. Everything Michael said is right. Look, they think 2 to 3 years ahead. And I'm not surprised. Says Sergio Medio Moody and Yoma 80 million.
Martin report Kofi France about they don't know official. There Michael Chichi Muno 65 million euros. Now add-ons na 15 to Kamboma 80 million euros.
They are preparing for the exit.
Ramos.
They are preparing for the exit of
Mbappe. Okay.
And you know kwa neba. Bradley
Bakula Bebana.
Then
Kolomwani Subeba Biram.
They are preparing. Until Liverpool's any tehono.
Are you when I wait there chamber corner no more to no.
No.
Was a woman no come the omo.
And a sporting director will not plan. Just that in Yamfai.
Ah, name my money, women, the omo no mobile shut up for
project, no, so Mujai. No more yen, yes, Fatana.
Messi, or no, the BGB, Geneva, Suna, where's
the hunger? Come there, didn't know.
What you went cap in the bear crab or the last of body chicken and you
say Champions League, no eliminators, no. I shall say, I also. Yeah, Bob and Kakra, Sadat Bukai. Yeah, now Bernard Tekpete.
Yes.
For Ludogoret. Also, boy, good. Not a match because we are an all Scandinavian game. SOMPA Icelandic club. I find the Breidborg. I'm on the FC Copenhagen. Na Copenhagen, I call them a conference FC Copenhagen. Mira, match in the course, no. Ye na BBA Timatum, ama on aggregate. Copenhagen, I shall Breidborg 6-3. 8-3. By return leg, no. Almost 6-3. Na match in the course, no. Accra share goals. I was our match. Accra, I can say my friend Ori Oscarson. Or she hat-trick. And I'll make you one assist or 18-year-old boy. She said he has potential. Ori Oscarson. Na Mira, Iceland say 2 dinya. Oh yeah, Bema sense also. And now your bounce out Dottir, Dottir. S also. Memani Dino say Ori Oscarson. That is never part the Oscar. Gylfi Sigurdsson. That is never part the Sigurd. Sa neti ntini say otis will be the Anadotera na say Anababa Anadotera sa no mo ye o Iceland ho omo capital Reykjavik sa team ya can say Breidborg just the south of Reykjavik a few kilometers away from there na Accra wa share hat-trick asa assist name team now wa show mo Breidborg no if you Chrome Iceland or Icelandic
ana wa yo mo adwuma
okay e gina ho kra kwa nke na o kan kwa ase wa team Breidborg ni nipa o coach e de papa
Kwaya ejuma why ejuma mi no.
Sabe bebe. Into your friend Oscarson. Ne papa de Oscar Thorvaldsen.
Oh, okay.
To no say the papa de Thorvald.
Ah, na ozo afa ne papa din na.
Into Oscar Thorvaldsen. Oscar Ori Oscarson ene neba Oscarson ne papa Oscar Thorvaldsen.
SOMPA Sports.
Ho no mo that TV no so. Na papa no we no since you hwe wa wo say hwe. Na dey we are to ni on we shema ne tamfu krada.
Da bi job na do we dey are.
Na akra no say opa ne papa cho ejuma no ndi oye.
Ejuma no.
But the good thing is that in 2018 na papa e coach team bi e Iceland e friend say Grote. Eho na ne ba ne bot team no. Ono ne ma ne ba ne competitive debut as a player. Na aka 11 days na akra ne di 14 years.
But Iceland no. Omo players ni nya professional football no born in Tempa.
Papa wo hono yes saying.
About last time na say now Kaido Gujonse.
Omo so ne papa. Aye, national team no.
Ezo bebe yi ne papa
Yi ne papa free.
Are who say me.
Into that is Oscar Thorvaldsen. Ne ba Oscarson na ye no ho adwuma. Into Copenhagen, Breidbach from Iceland e de omo free. But the key story for the game and the actually say papa ne ba no. It was nice and interesting. Yeah. Copa Libertadores no koso. Latin America and South America, omo Champions League sa na ye frɛ no. Copa Libertadores. Na ya sha said in India dikadika. Ya do knockout rounds no. Now you hear Fluminense and Argentinos Juniors. You River Plate over 2 days ago. I mean, Enra Boca Juniors. Eko PM or Uruguay. Na omuko PM no. No mo body etira Nacional Montevideo. Game ni na bewe no bi anhwe bi. Na police and the Boca Juniors fans no in the idio TVC. Boca Juniors fans no ultra group. Omudi ankasa ye from La 12. Barabava. The 12 man. Na omo allocation of 2,000 tickets. And so omo the nipa 4,000 e ko kromo. Because Uruguay and Argentina omo share common border. Nti also omo kokoni se omo kakra. Na he send ya police for nisi ni omudi. Tear gas ni ade na eti go.
Nani na mu a.
So ti ase. Omo so omo nti ase mpo ya attack omo no. Na police for no bu Uruguay for no to be because national for na your margin say e no mbe kire Boca Juniors for no etiwa kakra. Nti it was difficult. De hwa oba bi ne ba he. Obi so free baby di bibi e bomb nti so police for no e de bibi ko hwe obi tiro na nkraman ni aponko. I mean it was pandemonium. De hwa but so police for no dey abai ko bobi kwiwu. Say football ni e pe na no ma say no. Kan bia so be fa so akọ Boca Juniors ni bi e pra no. I was so fast. Omo form is a Barabara group in 1970. Omo ultras no be bi omo be ko bi omo adwen. We ama Uruguay ban ne complain say indeed. Na nkom betimi aye hu bibi de nipa 2,000 aba. More 2,000 tickets. More the 4,000 bas saying. Look, omo bo omo nya 4,000. They could be more than 10,000.
Omo mo de omo ba.
Ba na ebi okrum e no
Sports.
Obi o no nya ball no be hwe.
Exactly.
Obe sa no abi disi mu ara voko. No nya ball no be hwe.
Enra they could pay more sa game no man bra na nya asem ketwa kra. It was interesting. Now Latin America football stories no di ekira. Eya na hom ka wom because it's wholesome content. O tie bia on tiase. Enra na there was yet another game in Colombia. And also your boy na Atletico Nacional. Omone Racing Club Avellaneda. Now Racing Club nesane from Racing. Bono ombe bono ahomachin. Omunya moyen. Ni a delay Argentina contingent na eba airport. Be 3 hours.
Adey.
Mira. Said den kebi obi aye boni. Racing Club omo reserve goalkeeper na say number 2 no. Your friend Francisco Gomez. Francisco Gomez no omo ne ne bae. No mudru airport no. Na police aye operation.
SOMPA Sports.
Colombia, Bogota airport. NSC. Criminal bi adwane. Ye penache no or fugitive. Your friend Francisco Gomez. Unu also drew on the passport mu no. Francisco Gomez nigu.
Turi ajira obu bisa le sem kaka.
Bebre.
On che mu.
Bebre.
Ana ne akwani din se. E fa na free. Se na save the city. Babi jo ba se bo are ho pa. Una mo ba bi no akoto amanem.
Nyame nkoa ne no kwafo. Francisco Gomez. General near to omo no. Netherlands for now announced team omo de ba World Athletics Championship no. na omo inputi de obia America obia betu no Sifa Hassan or double Olympic and world champion mira waba na oba no omo a enter no 1,500 meters 5,000 meters and 10,000 meters so middle and long distance o tu ni nyina Sifa Hassan in fie dunum 15 years and no free Ethiopia baby ayewo no Omonia region no ekopi mo Holland na ntokwa esi wo na obeye refugee 2013 and obey Dutch citizen. Now you're Dutch citizen we do. What to me Canada Netherlands Tokyo or we need gold in 10,000 meters or we need gold in 5,000 meters and OJ bronze in 1,500. She became the first woman to medal in 3 races in that region. Obi anwa. Eno danche or you're the only athlete in Olympic history while winning medals in middle and long distance. Nana girl iba obey a straight battle between only Faith Kipyegon and Netherlands would have a lot resting on her. And you know, Jamaica Athletics so the squad list aba. Now for squad list, the man for bisa question say I didn't think Jamaica for nesa bakwa kunukwe women say Omaka say Shelley and Fraser Price. Ne company can be bianche omo Jamaica for say on 200 meters no. Until Oma enter for 200 and 100. Jamaica will be strong in both 100 and 200, no matter what Sha'Carri Richardson and the likes may do from the US, or Jose Marie Talou taking the African challenge. But some more Sherika Jackson, no more 2-time on the spin, world champion in Sherry and Fraser Price. Then they are on their way. They are on their way to winning the sweeps in the medal. Pacho.
Pacho.
We are seeing now so my Americana you 2 years. Send them back and the sports minister Mohammed Bari wakoye nhwehwemu hu say e bibrim hana ifri na jinya minkuto Oba Khadija Aden Athletics Federation of Somalia president no na mbete to ha so no na de ne offer ya
sports
they say I suspend them no and ya catch Somali Olympic Committee so mo Athletics Federation ni nsemu na kwa mo fa so ni University of Mogadishu Somalia no etimi koye sa de no e de Nasru Ali Abukar Ali wa me kama ekotu sa America we bi no na omo metrim na egu o man ni mase
agu o ni mase
em sa re hu ye